Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix FC26 unable to connect to ES servers on PS5. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the network connection. Next, click on Advanced Network Settings. Here, select Network Reset. This will reinstall your network adapters and restore network settings to their default state. After that, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Network and system updates can sometimes fix connection issues. Now go back and open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Next, click on Privacy and Security from the left side. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. Select the desired time range, then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and any other data you want to remove. Then click on Delete Data. Once everything is complete, restart your PC to apply the changes. After restarting, launch FC26 again and try connecting to the EA servers. Also make sure your EA account is properly linked and that there are no ongoing ES server outages. That's how you can fix the FC26 unable to connect to ES servers issue. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.